Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Revolut customer support. Firstly, open any of the web browser and in the top there's this address bar, type down Revolut and simply enter it. And from here you need to select this banking and beyond from Revolut website. And once you're inside this homepage, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom and until you find this help center, select that. And from the Help Center, what you can do is if you find any relatable issue with your profile, plans, and benefits, you can simply select this View All. And from here, you'll simply find this instruction here. And if you still need more help, what you need to do is scroll all the way to the bottom again and select this Contact Us. And from here, scroll a bit down. And from here, if you need to get back with your account, what you need to do is simply open a question here and you'll get this number. And from the number, you need to contact a customer support. And make sure you have your account information ready for identity verification before contacting. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.